A loitering kamikaze quadcopter with low radar signature is undergoing tests in the zone of the Special Military Operation in Ukraine. Vitaly Dolgov, head of the Laboratory of External Piloting and UAV Operation at the Kamikaze Research Institute of Computer Systems, told TASS on Wednesday. The loitering kamikaze has been sent for tests to the zone of the Special Military Operation, and currently 2 of our drones are being employed there. The drone has proven its worth. The drone's hull has been created using special radar-absorbing material that makes it almost invisible to enemy electronic warfare systems. The coating is added to composite materials in making the drone's frames. It absorbs up to 50% of radar electromagnetic emissions, the researcher said. The latest drone is capable of carrying a 4 kilograms payload, he specified. The loitering kamikaze has 2 objectives. It can be used as a loitering munition and can deliver and drop explosives. The drone can easily carry a payload of 4 kilograms to a distance of 10 kilometers. We keep upgrading the aerial vehicle and are currently working on the system of dropping as many as 6 munitions, Dolgov said. The Kamikaze Research Institute earlier unveiled a GROM, Thunder, mobile folding quadcopter designed to ferret out targets and drop munitions. On the other hand, earlier, Russia's Big Army 2023 Expo last week featured the expected flurry of announcements of new kamikaze drone projects. Many of these will be pure vaporware, a category in which Russia has long excelled, but some deserve to be taken more seriously. A weapon known as Izdeli 54 Product 54 may be significant simply because of who is making it. A press release from the show gave minimal information. Aeroscan at the International Military Technical Forum Army 2023 announced a new model of long-range loitering ammunition with an enlarged warhead, Product 54. The product is designed to destroy military equipment and manpower of the enemy, located at a considerable distance. This model is an initiative development of the company, uses the latest artificial intelligence algorithms and is currently undergoing final tests before being put into production. As we have seen, numerous Russian companies are attempting to break into this market, as kamikaze drones or loitering munitions have been among Russia's few successes during this war. The Lancet, a 25-pound drone with a 7-pound warhead, has shown itself capable of knocking out artillery, tanks and other armored vehicles from 25 miles away. Meanwhile, Russia continues to bombard Ukraine with 450-pound, Iranian-made Shahed 136 kamikaze drones, and it attempting to start it up a factory to mass-produce a Russian version under license. These drones have a range of several hundred miles. If this Izdeli 54 is a long-range drone, it will probably have to compete more with Shahed, but it all depends on specs. Samuel Bendet, an expert Russian drones and advisor to both the CNA and CNAS. It's possible that this new drone will fill the gap between Lancet and Shahed capability, with a range of 80 to 200 kilometers, or may be designed for even longer ranges. Of interest is the claim that the 54 uses the latest artificial intelligence algorithms. The Lancet is notable for having a US-made Jetson TX2 processor is optimized for neural networks to giving drones AI capability, and which is believed to help the Lancet to lock on to targets identified by the operator.
Какой-то защищенный канал будет или вообще? Ну, я бы детально не стал рассказывать, да, ну, в общем,
The new drone may benefit from more recent and powerful smuggled processors, and the AI algorithms may be used either to aid in navigation, targeting, or both. Algorithms links to a drone's camera can spot landmarks and navigate when GPS is jammed, and machine learning can identify targets without human intervention. This capability gives a small drone the ability to hit targets with high precision, making it a more dangerous weapon than a cruise missile with a much larger warhead but less reliable guidance. And at tens of thousands of dollars rather than millions, Kamikaze drones give Russia a sustainable way to continue the war. What this shows is the growing need for a relatively cheap, capable loitering munition in this war, says Bendet, noting that Russian volunteer organizations like Project Archangel and Oko Design Bureau are also now designing their own loitering munitions with a long range.